What's up, guys? Today we're going to learn Andy Grammer's new song, Don't Give Up on Me. You're going to need a capo at the first fret, and I'll break down that cool fingerstyle guitar part the best way I can. There's only 3 chords in the whole song, so let's get started. My name is Brett Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. Please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoy the video, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Those links will be in the description. Okay, so let's talk about the chords we're going to need for this song. We've got a D, open D relative to the capo, and that's going to be open on the 4th, 2nd fret on the 3rd, 3rd fret on the 2nd, and 2nd fret on the 1st, and strum down. So open, 2nd, 3, and then 2nd. And we've got an A, standard A major. That's open, 2nd fret, 2nd fret, 2nd fret, open. That's 2nd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, strum from the 5th down. Then we've got a B minor. You're going to put your index on the 2nd fret, 5th string, 3rd finger on the 4th fret, 4th string, pinky on the 4th fret, 3rd string, and then your middle finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. You're going to bar your index from the 5th string down, and you're going to strum from the 5th string down. If that's too hard for you for the bar chord, you could go 3rd finger on the 4th fret, 4th string, pinky on the 4th fret, 3rd string, middle finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, and your index finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string, and you can strum from the 4th string down and leave off the bar. So the last chord we need is G major. So that's going to be 3rd fret, 6th string with your middle finger, 2nd fret, 5th string, index finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 1st string, pinky. And you're going to strum from the 5th string down. So we've got D, A, B minor, G, all the way through the song. Okay, so let's talk about this fingerstyle thing that I think most of you guys are here to learn. We're going to hold a D in our left hand, and our right hand's going to do most of the work. So we're going to play the 4th string open while holding this D, and then our middle finger is going to play the 1st string, all right, together. And then our index is going to play the 2nd string, and then our middle finger is going to go back and play the 1st. I'll do that again. All right, so thumb and middle, index, middle, thumb and middle, index, middle, thumb and middle, index, middle. All right, then the next pattern you're going to go to is you're going to put your index on the 2nd fret, 2nd string, middle finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string, and our thumb is now going to play the bass note here on the 5th string, all right? And the pattern remains the same, except the second time we play the 1st string, we have to lift up our middle finger. So then we're going to go thumb on the 5th string, middle finger on the 1st, and then our index on the 2nd string, and then when we go back to the 1st string, our middle finger comes up, and then we have to start over again. So alright, I should have mentioned before that each time you play the pattern 2 times or 4 times through, okay? All the way through the verses, okay? So let's talk about this again. Thumb in middle, 5th and 1st string, index on the 2nd string, middle finger on the left hand comes up, and then your middle finger plucks the 1st string. So, and then you start it over. Thumb in middle, index, middle. Alright, our third shape is our index on the 2nd fret, 5th string, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, and our middle finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string. The pattern remains the same there, alright? So thumb on the 5th, middle finger on the 1st, okay? So we're going to go, and then our index on the 2nd, and then our middle finger on our left comes up, and our middle plays the 1st string open. So thumb in middle, index, middle finger comes up, middle finger plays the 1st string. Just like that. Thumb in middle, index, middle finger comes up, middle finger on the right plays the 1st string. Alright, and then you keep your 3rd finger down for the 4th shape, and your middle finger will go to the 3rd fret, 6th string. Alright, so your 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, middle finger, 3rd fret, 4th string, or 6th string, sorry. And then your pinky, this is the weird one, will play the 4th fret, 3rd string. You're going to pluck thumb on the 6th, middle finger on the 1st, index on the 3rd, middle finger on the 2nd. Then the pattern starts over. Thumb in middle, index, middle. That's the fingerstyle pattern. All right, so now you're gonna grab a pick because all through the choruses we have a pretty simple strumming pattern that we're gonna learn. All right, and we also go to just full open chord. Well, I lied. We have one B minor bar chord that we're gonna do. Or you can do the workaround that we talked about earlier. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's the pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then you're gonna go to A, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. B minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. G, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. You're gonna go all the way through it, so it's down, down. That's the pattern all the way through the choruses. If you wanted to do that in the verse, you could too. Just play it lighter so it's not so loud because it will match up more dynamically with the way the fingerstyle thing goes. So if you're doing the verse with the strumming pattern, maybe quieter, like. Just like that, okay? So you do have to remember at the beginning of each verse, you have like one measure, two measures of that before the pattern starts and goes all the way through. Okay, so the only thing you have to remember is for the intro, if you're doing the fingerstyle thing, is you have to do that first pattern 4 times before you go all the way through the cycle of those 4 different shapes. So that would be like. Then start all 4 patterns, which means you start on this one again. All right, that is everything you need to learn the song. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. We really appreciate the support. Catch you next time.